We are aiming at a total of 3 areas, starting with restricted zones, such as factory sites or airports. Secondly, on fixed roads, such as deliveries or urban public transportation. And finally, on unrestricted roads, such as individual courier runs, as mobile package stations, or an on-demand ride-sharing, as we are already offering with Via Van, also still with drivers. We can multiply transport efficiency here many times over. And we are providing an answer to one of the growing challenges, especially in the last mile industry, a lack of drivers. Companies are already finding it extremely difficult or even impossible to fill these jobs. That is because of the high cost pressure in this industry, which makes the jobs of the delivery driver increasingly stressful and less attractive. Last summer, for instance, the German Employment Agency announced that more than 5,000 jobs in the logistics industry remained unfilled. At the same time, a German newspaper voted Fahrermangel, meaning lack of drivers, as being the 2017 Logistics Word of the Year. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, autonomous vehicle concepts cover existing needs and can optimize the mobility we already know. However, they also open the door to completely new concepts. The holistic approach of advance and also the modularity of our innovations offer many opportunities in this regard. We can combine the individual solutions from the different areas of advance to create entirely new holistic system solutions. For example, intermodal transport, the combined use of different mobility options. In goods transportation, an autonomous van could become a self-driving logistics hub, while drones or self-driving robots cover the last mile to the door. One efficient and, I think, groundbreaking approach is that the vehicles could be constructed in a way that enables them to move people by day and by night goods within the city, both on one platform. In the city of the future, an autonomous van brings someone to the office in the morning, and the same van delivers his groceries in the evening. You won't see these kinds of vehicles on the roads today or tomorrow. But we have pooled all our expertise and many years of industry experience. As a result, we developed a vehicle study that embodies this visionary concept, that makes economic sense for companies and improves the quality of life for future city residents. We call it Vision URBANETIC, our vision of urban mobility, battery electric and fully autonomous. A platform for mobility that can be used for both people moving and goods transportation. Interchangeable body modules make this van a comfortable means of transport by day and a high-efficient delivery van by night. This alternating usage profile means that totally different companies could share one vehicle. For instance, shuttle service and courier, or tradesman and last-mile delivery services. And we have designed the Vision URBANETIC to change the transport modules fast and straightforward. The cargo module serves as a classic load carrier that can transport up to 10 Euro pallets. The people mover module, on the other hand, turns the van into a premium ride-sharing vehicle with space for up to 12 passengers. Changing the modules automatically takes just a few minutes. As a fundamental principle, we did not develop the vision URBANETIC as a new vehicle concept, but from the very first start as a holistic system solution. It therefore integrates seamlessly into a holistic ecosystem that smoothly combines operation, control, and fleet management. Logistic companies and private customers simply communicate their mobility wishes digitally. This is how we will take the crucial final step of becoming a holistic mobility service provider. Previously, we were active mainly as a vehicle manufacturer, as an advisor of financial matters, as a fleet manager, and as a provider of mobility services. We are taking the next step with autonomous advance. With autonomous solutions like this, we could act as an aggregator, combine different offerings on one platform, or as a system provider, developing large and individual overall packages. The vision URBANETIC is part of a cloud-based holistic system solution. The system also offers new opportunities in the use of company resources. That means different companies, even competitors, can share such a van. The various different needs would be organized in the system, the algorithms, with maximum efficiency. Such a model could lead to substantial overall cost savings. Except for the battery charging time, each vehicle can be used 24/7, 365 days a year. Ladies and gentlemen, our vision URBANETIC is a symbol of the mobility of the future. I am convinced autonomous, connected, and fully electric driving will lower traffic and emissions in cities. But see yourself, the autonomous van of the future.